Hey, how's it going, guys? In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make money with the help of a free bot that will perform tasks for you. I'll also be showing you this website where you can get jobs that the bot can actually work on. So if you're serious about getting started on making money online and you really want this strategy to work, then you'll have to follow all of the steps without skipping ahead. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the simplest, and most legit ways to make money online. If this is something that you're interested in, then do make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because we do have a ton of content that will teach you how to do just that. With that said, let's go make some money! I want to dive right in and take you straight to this website that's available worldwide, and it's called cjinc.info. It's also known as Creative Jobs. And no matter where in the world you're from, you can make money here. Joining is 100% free, and it says right here that they will pay for your time, no investment needed. There are actually a few different ways that you can make money on this website. You can do various types of jobs, including medical transcription, language translation, advertising, teaching, writing, or even answering surveys in exchange for payment. You can definitely explore the career tab over here, but for today's strategy, we're going to focus on one specific task because it's the most lucrative, and like I said at the start of the video, you won't need to do any heavy lifting but still be able to make a decent amount of money. And the task I'm referring to is online proofreading. This pays between $5 to $10 per 1,000 words for simply correcting grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and factual inaccuracies. Don't panic, you don't have to be a professional writer or editor. You don't even have to be an English expert to do this. As long as you understand basic English, you'll be able to pull this off because you'll be employing the help of a secret weapon, which is the free bot that I promised to share with you. It will do all of the heavy lifting while you only need to do the very basic task of copying and pasting articles as you watch the tool do all of the work for you. The best part in all of this is that you can do this many times over, as much or as little as you want or need, and I'll tell you step by step how this works. To understand it better, Creative Jobs is a company that's been around since 2014. It's associated with clients and partners that need proofreading work to be done, and as a company, Creative Jobs then looks for proofreaders to comb through the work looking for any glitches. They also clearly state on their website that they're not an employer but a recruitment agency that connects workers to clients. As for the actual proofreading work, this would include spaces, punctuation marks, spelling, alignment, type, font, and style, and other details. It also says here that proofreaders can earn between $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. The rates would depend on the work and accuracy levels. They do provide a simple computation on their website, so let's say that you make $5 per page or 1,000 words. You can then do 10 pages per day and easily make $50 per day from the comfort of your home. If you do this daily for 25 days, then you can make up to $1,200 a month by simply working this strategy. As for the payment, you need to reach the threshold limit of $25, and once you do, you can request for payment, which they release every 15th of the month through PayPal, check, or even online money transfer. And if that has you convinced, let me show you how to sign up for a free account so that you can start accepting jobs, and then we can head on over to the free bot and get to work. So over on the Creative Jobs website, which is cjinc.com, I want you to click on Apply for Jobs and then Download Application Form. Simply fill out all of the details, which, as you might expect, is pretty straightforward. It's the same thing when signing up for any new account. So complete everything and make sure that you select proofreading at the part where it says application for select the job. Another tip that I can give you would be that when it says current professional status, you can select employed and freelancer. And then on the part where it asks, what hours are you available? I want you to tick everything that it says there. Finally, when it asks you are comfortable to work with, I want you to select multiple companies. If you do all of this, just like I said, you can increase your chances of getting work and are not limited in terms of the amount of work that you receive. So now that you're in and have work coming your way, let's talk about how you can get the actual proofreading done. And head on over to the free bot, which is this free website called slickwrite.com. It's a powerful free application that makes it super easy to check text for grammar errors, potential stylistic mistakes, etc. And the best part is that besides being free, you can use this tool online without needing to download or install anything. There's actually a demo on their website which you can watch if you want to, but it's also straightforward enough to use right away. Either way, you'll need to click on Start Writing, where you'll find a box where you can also paste your text. This bot literally did all of the proofreading work for me. From here, you can simply head back over to Creative Jobs and submit your work. And once you're able to reach $25, which is honestly really simple to do, you can request for a payout and watch all of the payments start coming in. I'm telling you guys, literally anyone can do this. No skills, no experience required. All it takes is for you to make the first move. Just get started by signing up and accepting jobs. Keep doing it over and over whenever you have free pockets of time during the day. It's too simple to say no to. And if you got any value from today's content, then please make sure that you show us some love by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell below because it really supports the channel. Also, let us know what other types of videos you want to see next, and I'll make sure that I include it in our lineup. I do love hearing from you, so whether it be a comment or a suggestion, don't be shy. I do read each and every one of your messages. As always, let me leave you with a reminder that if you want to work your way towards financial freedom, then you do have to put in the work, and you need to do it today, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. If you want to try other things out, we do have a ton of other content up on this channel, and I'll be leaving links to those videos for you in the description box or comments section below. Alrighty guys, that's it for today. Take care, and I'll see you again on the next one.